Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel then hi, I am Chikon Dotto. Welcome to my channel. Today I am doing this purple smoky eyeshadow look. I have created this look specially for Durga Puja, and you can create this look for Shoshti or Shoptami. I think it's great to wear this look for Shoshti or Shoptami evening. And I have worn this purple kurta, and this is from Flipkart, and a Flipkart haul will be coming next to my channel. So stay tuned to my channel, and if you do not subscribe to my channel till now, then please do consider subscribing my channel and press the bell notification so you will get notified all the time when I upload a new video. I will create more festive looks during this period. Do comment me in the comment section below which festive looks you want to create in this Durga Puja. And now without further ado, let's get jump into the video. I am going to moisturize my skin first as I have a very dry skin, so I need a double protection for my face, and for this I am using Lotus White Glow Skin Whitening and Brightening Face Serum, and after that I am using Lotus White Glow Skin Whitening and Brightening Moisturizer. It hydrates my skin and gives a natural glow to my face as well. Next I am going to use Maybelline the Nudes eyeshadow palette to fill my eyebrows, and for this I take a triangle brush and make a outer line of the eyebrows. Next I am going to fill my eyebrows with this darkest shade next to black in this eyeshadow palette. I am using this flat brush to apply my eyeshadow primer, and today I am using LA Girl Pro HD Concealer as a primer. I am not gonna apply a thick layer of concealer as I have to layer up with lots of product on my eyelids. So I just apply a thin layer of concealer and I am blending it with my hands to even out my skin tone. Before creating any heavy eye makeup look, make sure you applied eyeshadow primer. Lots of you guys skip this part. Do not skip this part as eyeshadow primer hold the eyeshadow for a long time. Today I am using Beauty Glaze Colorboard eyeshadow palette. If you guys want a review of this palette, then let me know in the comment section below. I am picking the lightest shade to set my primer. I am just taking the lightest purple shade of this palette and I am just placing it on my crease area. Do not need to be perfect, it can be messy, so don't worry about it. Now I am taking this darkest purple shade of this eyeshadow palette and I am placing it on the outer V of my eyelids. Blending out. Now I am taking this beautiful pink glitter eyeshadow from this eyeshadow palette and I am placing it at the inner corner of my eyelids. Now I am mixing these two colors of this eyeshadow palette and placing it at the center part of my eyelids. Now I am going back to the darkest purple shade again and I am placing it at the outer V as I want more intensity. I am blending it out properly as I do not want any harsh line on the crease area. Now I draw a eyeliner with this pencil kajal eyeliner and this is from Nykaa. Now I am taking this beautiful pink color from this palette. I am smudging it with this sponge applicator very well. I am just gonna blending out everything with this fluffy brush so that there is no harsh line in between. Now there is a nice fallout, so I am going to clean everything with this Garnier Micellar cleansing water, and I did a review of this product. Now I am taking MAC eyeshadow to highlight my eyebrows and the inner corner of my eyes. Blending out. I am taking this color again and placing it at the center part of my eyelids as I want more pigment on the center part of my eyelids. Now I am applying mascara, and mascara is most important for any eye makeup. You can add false eyelashes at this step and I just skip that part. I do not want to look dramatic, I just want a simple sober look for pandal hopping. Now I am done with my eye makeup, and for face I am using Sugar Pore Minimizing Primer. I took a little amount of this primer and gently massage it to my face, and I did a review of this primer too. You can check it out from my channel. I have a clear dark circle and a little pigmentation around my mouth, and for this I need an orange corrector, and this is from Sugar. I am making dots with this orange corrector where I need to correct, and I am blending it out with my finger. For foundation, I am using L'Oreal Infallible Stay Fresh Foundation, and this is one of my favorite foundation, and my shade in this foundation is 200. It gives medium to full coverage and it stays more than 12 hours. And this foundation does oxidize. Today I am using mostly the drugstore product which is available at any store, and for compact I am using Lakme Absolute White Intense Wet and Dry Compact. This compact also stays more than 7 to 8 hours, and after that you have to retouch it. For contouring I am using the same palette, Maybelline The Nudes, and I am just taking the dark brown shade to contour my face. I am just taking this beautiful pink shade from this Beauty Glaze Colorboard palette, and I am just using it as a blusher today. Now I am using Sugar Banana Powder to highlight it my under eyes and the high points of my face. Now with this brush I am just taking this color again, and I am just placing it on my waterline. Again I am using this Nykaa Kajal and I am placing it on my waterline. With the help of this sponge brush I am just smudging it. With this brush, I just add more highlighter on my inner corner as I feel I need to highlight my inner corner more. Blending it out. And of course some blush, and this is from Sivana Colors. For lips, I am using Miss Rose Matte in the shade Sexy and the shade number is Code 2 and I am mixing it up with Lakme 925 in the shade of Cherry as I do not have any perfect purple lip shade. And the last step, I am using MAC Prep Plus Prime Makeup Fixing Spray and let it set for 3 to 4 minutes and I will be back in 3 to 4 minutes. This is my final look. Hope you guys do like my video, and if you do like my videos then hit the like button and do share it with your friends and family. You can also follow me on my Facebook, Instagram and my Facebook page, and all the links will be given down below in the description box. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, tata, bye bye, take care, have a great day. Tata.